Hi all backers, this is Michiel Alessi from Sleep.ai. I want to see where we're located. We're in Nijmegen in the Netherlands, and this is our main building. We have a couple of startups and Sleep.ai, so come and see the office. The first wearables, straight from the factory. We're testing them now. So this is the wearable, and this will be the one you'll be getting the next few weeks. And to put it on, we're testing them all one by one. As you can see, we have first batch, and we hope to get them as soon as possible to your address. Thanks.